Hello, I'm Katya and I'll be doing the Pizzenous Pet Shop by Gregor Steele. The clarty cat fae the Western Isles loves to dive aroon in cundies, twice a day fae Monty sat, but no at all on Sundays. The boken budgie flees again, this time it's had nae seed. It stuffed itself with fruit and cream to blow chunks on your head. The slevering slug is sleekit. It plans its next attack. It slides up your shirt to the collar and dribbles down your back. The floater frog's a minger. Think ye it dogs abuse. It sneaks up and sucks your ginger and leaves bits in the juice. The honking hutchins humming its reek ye cannae thole. It bides beside the cludgie and helps clean out the bowl.